Good morning, everyone. Today I will tell you about my drawing and how I did my drawing. How did I do that? First, you will need to select the section that you want to add color. Then, using your keyboard, you will click I to choose the color that you want for your drawing. Right after that, you're going to use your mouse to click on the selection that you made earlier. Then the same process follows to all other parts of the drawing. This is really interesting because I both learned how to color the drawing that I did on my paper. Papa helped me to choose the selections that I want to add colors. It will make the process fast.
Hello, I'm a star. I shine from afar. I am really bright, 'cause I give off light. I live in outer space, far beyond the moon. There are billions more just like me. We all sing for you. I'm a star, you're a star, everyone's a star. When there's lots of us, we're a galaxy. When I'm alone, I'm a star. I'm a star, you're a star, everyone's a star. When there's lots of us,
we're almost done. I will only have to color some more.
I shine in the sky. We form constellations like Leo and Gemini. The sun is a star.
Yay! We are done. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video interesting. Catch you all on my next videos. Thank you.
I'm a star, you're a star.